Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a signature onto your Zendesk account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Click on the sign in button at the top section and then proceed with your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, if you wish to add a signature, then click on the settings button at the left side and then click on go to admin center. You will now be taken into the admin center page, from which you can click on account and then scroll down and then click on brands. You can now click on get started and now you can click on the add brand menu and you will be asked to enter your brand name. You can now enter your brand name within the brand name section and enter your subdomain as well as logo options. You can then enter your logo by dropping your logo into the window or choosing a file by clicking on choose file. Finally, make sure you leave the agent signature option as it is, and after setting your host mapping option, click on the save changes button. Once you have set this up, go ahead and click on people and then click on team members. Now underneath your team members, you can assign a custom signature to each of your agents. Go ahead and open up their profile and then click on account. Now from this page, click on manage in support and you will be taken into their profile management screen. Now within this page, at the left side, you will see the signature option. You can simply enter their customer signature within this page. And now your signature for this agent will be changed right away. You can do this with all of your agents and enter a custom signature for each of them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add signatures on your Zendesk account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.